Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have a new spoiler for the November Yes Oh Yes box. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my December Boxy Lux Spoilers. Congratulations, BB Lunsford. BB says, Happy Halloween, Mandy. Well, thank you, BB. I really appreciate that, and I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned toward the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and just dive in. Now I'm going to show you the spoiler that I've already showed to you, and then I'm going to show you the new one. So the first thing is the Bella Pierre Kabuki brush. Now this has got a value of $20. I really do like these little brushes. They are really good with powder products. And then the newly revealed spoiler is a palette. It is the Bella Pierre 12 color natural eyeshadow palette. Now this has got a value of $50, y'all. I think this is a nice, beautiful palette for November. I think the colors just match. I love these fall colored eyeshadow palettes, y'all. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you updated. I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Yes Oh Yes is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, I do have a code for you to use. It is SelfTaught Beauty. That is in all caps. That will get you 10% off of your first box. And I do have to tell you, I make a little itty bitty commission off of it, but you also get a discount, so I feel like it's a win-win for both of us. Now guys, some people are having trouble using my code. Sometimes it'll go through for them and some it's not, but if it's not going through for you, there is a default code and it is listed down below. All you gotta do is use the link and use the default code and it will get your discount to you. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked on my last video. Congratulations, Eve Davis. Eve says, Hi Mandy, love this. Well, thank you, Eve. I appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, my comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life. It's what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you guys take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another video of mine. You'll be on top of all the spoilers. And that's it. That's all I got for you today. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.